Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide button on videos in Opera browser Windows 10 computer. So how to hide button on videos in Opera browser Windows 10 computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here it is in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here it is in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the Lucid Mode menu. Then tap to hide button on videos. This feature allows users to hide buttons on videos in Opera browser for a cleaner and more comfortable display when watching. So that's it, the tutorial how to hide button on videos in Opera browser Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.